Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share homemade healthy Snickers recipe. Don't know if you all remember that this recipe went viral a few years back, and I'm just going to try and make that this morning. So the ingredients are the dates. I have taken like about 5 of the dates. They are pitted, taken off the seeds, and then like half cup or a little bit less of the chocolate chips. And then what we're gonna need is almonds and pistachios, about a handful of each, just for the topping. It's a lot right now, but we're gonna save some if there's some left over. And then the salt, you can use plain regular salt. I have this Himalayan salt that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I have melted the chocolate chips, and this is what it looks like. It's thick, which is fine. And let's go ahead and make one quickly before it starts hardening up. What I'm going to do is, excuse me, I'm going to place one date, and I'm going to just top it off with the chocolate syrup or paste, and just take a little bit of pistachios for topping, and a little bit of almonds. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is take a little bit more of the chocolate syrup, make another kind of layer, not layer, but just top it off. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is take the salt, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt on it so the salt grains will show on the chocolate. I have to use both my hands, so I have to put my phone down. Okay, so this is the salt that I just sprinkled over. And basically when I am done, I'm going to show you the final presentation, and I'm going to sit it in my freezer for about an hour and a half. This will all get frozen, and you can enjoy it. So that was actually a very quick recipe, dessert recipe. It doesn't look like Snickers, but you know what I'm talking about. It will taste really, really good. The sweetness from the dates, the chocolate, flavor of the chocolate, the nuts, and top it off the salt. And once it's frozen, it's gonna come out really good. I'm gonna show you the final result once I assemble all of these, and once it's frozen, I'm gonna show that to you as well. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so there are about 5 dates with chocolate and nuts, and topped with the pink Himalayan salt, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna set it in the freezer, like I said, about 2 hours, and it's gonna get really nice and frozen. So when you bite it, it's gonna feel like a candy, but it's gonna be a healthy candy. So enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to leave comments, please feel free to do so. And please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Thank you so much.